The Legion. The Legion. The Legion.
Hey guys, it's the Authentic Nisi coming back to you with another video. So today I am going to be unpackaging a Juvay Troupe package, which is the Juvay Explosion Troupe, and this is for St. Thomas Carnival 2022. The Troupe package comes in a bag just like this, and then I am going to show you guys what's inside of the bag so you get your money's worth. So the package that I have in my hand is a bodysuit package. It was $90, but I feel like it's worth it because you do get a lot, and you also get free drinks and I believe free food. So I'm gonna start showing you guys what I have inside of the bag. So I did a Troupe in 2019, and in my package I had like a little top and a little bottom, but this package have the bodysuit and you get the t-shirt, which is really nice of them. So this is the t-shirt right here. It says Juvay Explosion. I hope you guys could see it good. It's really colorful. All the t-shirts were blue, and this is the back of the t-shirt where it's just listing the sponsors. I'm gonna bring it closer for you guys to see. Juvay Explosion. Okay, really simple, basic. The next item I'm gonna show you guys, I am guessing this is like a little head tie or handkerchief, this with the name Juvay on it, and once again sponsors all over it. Next up, this is an essential item. This is the Juvay Explosion towel right here. Everyone needs a good towel to wipe off that sweat, or to soak it with some water and rest it on top of your head like so in the Juvay. So that's how usually I see people wearing like their clothes on top of their head. It wet, or either you have sweat or water in it. I don't know, but it'll be like this here. It'll be like this. The washcloth will be on top of their head, the towel will be on top of their head, and then it'll just be walking. But yeah, this. The next item, this is essential. This is actually a good idea because when you in Juvay, by the way, this is my first time doing Juvay in St. Thomas. So this is a waterproof case for your cell phone. You know, it could get really crazy in Juvay when they throw in water, when they throw in powder, paints, whatever they throw. But this is a necessity because you want to cover your iPhone. iPhones are really expensive, girls and boys, okay? A whistle is a must. It is a must. It is a must. Let me blow it because you know I have to. Yeah. So, you know, I just showed you guys my best moves. Yeah. You got your whistle. You also get a Juvay Explosion cup. So now, this is the important part, because when you're getting your drinks and stuff, you can put it in this cup, okay? Just drink from this. But this is actually a really cute. Let me take it out of the plastic for you guys. This electric green is so cute. Here you go, so you guys can see better. Now this is the last item. So I'm gonna show you guys the 3 styles that the Juvay Explosion Troupe had for the body packages. I believe it was 3 styles. So they were like 2 panty, like bathing swim, they kind of look like one-piece swimsuits, and there was one that had looked like a pants one-piece. I got the one that looks like a swimsuit. It comes in this little package. Everything was packaged really nicely. It kind of looks, you know, like this now because I actually took it out before, but This is really cute. This is a Jouvert Explosion one piece, and you can either tie it behind your neck, or there's little clips at the end and you clip it to the back. I'm gonna show you guys the back part of it. So here, as you can see, it ties in the back and adjusts. So if you have like a smaller back, you can always bring in the bodysuit to, you know, fit your body. We all have different body styles, but I feel like this would be it. Once you don't have like a high, like bigger stomach, then I feel like this actually could fit people well. The material is like a bathing suit material, so it's perfect for getting wet. You could also use this after Juvay. You put it to wash, you could go to the beach with it. Like, it's really cute. I like it. When I pay money, I want to make sure I pay money for something that's really nice, okay? And I feel like this Troupe had a lot to offer in terms of what came in the package. This package was $90, and I mean, everything is good quality, you know? You're not paying for no cheapy thing. This is good quality. I just don't like to be in a crowd of people. That kind of gives me anxiety. And this is from before COVID. So it don't have anything to do with COVID or anything like that. But like, I just don't want no greasy person rubbing up on me. Because don't touch me. I don't want you to touch me. I have a boyfriend. I will do a little, you know, with you, but all that gyrating and you're grinding and you're twisting everything and you're like, are you feeling it? Don't feel me. Don't do that. So yeah, guys, that was everything from the Jouvert Explosion package. I hope you guys like the unpackaging of the bodysuits. So actually, I have some friends, I pick up their Jouvert packages for them, so I'm gonna go quick and show you guys how their bodysuits look. This is it. So it doesn't look, how to say, it probably doesn't look great right now, but trust me, when you put this bad boy on, this is gonna fit, okay? It's gonna go with your curves, especially if you have a nice little bumpsy. Your bumpsy gonna fit nice in this, trust me. So now, hey guys, these are the styles of all the bodysuit options that they provided. There were green and there were blue. So if you didn't want to wear green, you had the option of wearing blue, and you had different styles of bodysuits, which I loved because, you know, everybody have different body types and not everything looks good on everyone. So there were enough options, I feel like, to satisfy almost everyone. I don't see myself walking down the street in just panty, straight panty alone. Hats off to you girls who do it, because I got a little self-conscious, and I'm so glad that, you know, you guys have the strength to do it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video, and I want you to continue watching my videos, share my videos, subscribe to the channel. Don't be afraid to like. Don't be afraid to comment down below, because that's what I like. Continue to support local content. This is something that I do as a hobby. It makes me happy. And if you guys have like aspirations and dreams and hobbies and things that you want to do, do it, okay? Don't be afraid. Don't let nobody tell you anything, try to belittle what you do. Trust me, there's always going to be somebody that has something to say negative, period, okay? You could be walking on the road doing something innocent, somebody gonna talk about you. You gonna go to jail, somebody talk about you. You go to church, somebody talk about you. Somebody always has something to say. Only you know your true self. You know, only you can be your true, authentic self. So on that note, follow the authentic Nisi, because there's no one like me and there's no one like you. Follow your Crucian Islander. Stay tuned for the next video.